The Truc Lam Thien Truong Buddhist Center is located in Loc Vong Ward, Nam Dinh City, adjacent to National Highway 10. The center was built in 2006 on an area of 34,000 square meters. The executive board of the Vietnam Buddhist Sangha of Nam Dinh Province organized the ceremony of installing the bronze statue of Shakyamuni Buddha on August 30, 2014, August 6, Year of the Horse, and the Grand Inauguration Ceremony of the Truc Lam Thien Truong Buddhist Center on August 31, 2014, August 7, Year of the Horse, expressing gratitude for the contributions of the Venerable Monks and Nuns throughout the province and Buddhists everywhere, especially Nam Cuong Group and Thang Loi Bronze Casting Company, who generously contributed to casting the 14.8-meter-high, 150-ton bronze statue of Shakyamuni Buddha. In front of the large statue of Shakyamuni Buddha is a 17-ton bronze statue of Amitabha Buddha, cast by Thuan Dung Bronze Casting Enterprise. The Great Hall of the Buddha is a majestic and spacious temple covering 4,840 square meters. The Buddha Hall is solemnly decorated, housing the statues of the three Buddhas of the past, present, and future, the Amitabha Triad, the Shakyamuni Triad, the 9 Dragons, etc. The center also includes many other structures such as the Provincial Buddhist Association's Executive Board Office, a meeting hall, a refectory, a triple-arched gate, a lake, a temple dedicated to King Hung and the people, and a temple dedicated to Saint Tran. Statues of Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara, statues of the 3 patriarchs of Truc Lam, statues of Hung Dao Dai Vong. Nam Dinh has many famous temples such as Pha Min Temple, Keo Han Thien Temple, County La Temple, Phi Lai Temple, Luang Temple, Vong Kung Temple, Tonan Temple, Phuc Loc Temple, Vinh Niem Temple. The Truc Lam Thien Truong Buddhist Center, established alongside the ancient temples in the province, is an attractive cultural and spiritual destination for Buddhists and tourists from all over the world to visit and practice.